Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Accessibility, because Assistivetouch lives there and controls system gestures. Once you tap Touch and then Assistivetouch, toggle it on, you'll see the floating button immediately. Make sure to set idle opacity so it's visible but not distracting, and assign single tap for your most used action. This first move removes reliance on hardware buttons and prepares the interface for app-specific shortcuts and App Store interactions. Next, customize the menu so Assistivetouch speeds tasks in the App Store and other apps. Tap Customize Top-Level Menu to replace icons with actions like Home, Notifications, or Custom Shortcuts. This reduces navigation time. If you need multi-finger gestures for swipes or pinch, create a new gesture and save it. Also, set the accessibility shortcut to triple-click the side button so you can enable or disable Assistivetouch fast. This saves time when switching between tasks. Finally, use the floating Assistivetouch button inside the App Store to access your shortcuts and gestures. Tap it to open your custom menu, then invoke gestures to pull down search, interact with product pages, or swipe through reviews without touching the screen edges. If the button is misplaced, drag it to a new spot. If gestures misbehave, make sure the Save Gesture Sensitivity matches your motion. If things go wrong, restart the device or reset Assistivetouch settings to defaults and reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.